Hi guys, welcome back to school. Another lesson of science. Today is just going to be a little short lesson because our last few lessons have been very information heavy. So today is going to be a bit of a chance for you to catch up on any work you haven't done or do some revision. The work that we have been doing is the atomic science section. We haven't done pages 7, 8, and 9 because I know we've done all of this before last year when we were doing matter and stuff like that. But we started at page 10, and you should have done pretty much everything. We haven't done the game on page 13 because we need more people. Everything from 11 up till 20. Now, yesterday we were doing this one here with the balancing of symbol equations. And as you can see here, they showed you how to do it by counting up the atoms on each side of the arrow and trying to make sure we've got the same amount on each side. So here we've got 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens on the left side of the arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the right side we have 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens as well. So that one's balanced. Then I gave you this activity, this game to do, and hopefully you guys all got through there. I'm just going to show you how to do some of the ones on level 3 because they do get a little bit harder there. So if you're struggling, this is how I would do this one. First I say we have 1 of everything, that way we can see it all up here. And those different circles are different atoms and the colours show what atoms they are. So the red ones are the oxygens, we have 2 of them. And the carbon is black. Here we have a red oxygen and 2 white hydrogens. Here we have something, C2H5OH, 2 carbons, 5 hydrogens, 1 oxygen, and then we have 2 oxygens here. The way I would go about balancing this to make it the same on each side is I would first have to make the same amount of carbons, or the black ones on both sides. We have 2 here and only 1 here, so I'll put another one there. Now we have 2 carbons here and 2 carbons here. Next I'll try to balance the amount of hydrogens, the white ones. We've got 6 hydrogens here and only 2 here. Now 4, now 6. Now this one's a little bit confusing because it says H5 and then H. So it's got 6 hydrogens in total, and you can count them off there. Alright, now the last step, balancing the oxygens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. 1, 2, 3 here. Can we make 7? Yep, we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check, and that's our answer. If we wrote this equation out properly, we would write it just like this, except the one change is we don't put the 1 there. Normally, if there's no number there, it means 1. So it'll just be 2 CO2 plus 3 H2O and an arrow, C2H5OH plus 3 O2. I'm just going to do one more. This one's very similar looking, but it is going to change a little bit. So C2H6, O2, CO2, H2O. Let's do it the same as before. I have 2 carbons here, 1 carbon here. Now I have 2 carbons here and 2 carbons here. Next I do the hydrogens. I got 6 hydrogens here and only 2 here. Oh, sorry, not hydrogen. I've got 6 hydrogens here and 2 here. So there we go. 6 hydrogens, 6 white ones, and 6 white ones. The last step, however, is difficult. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oxygens here, and only 2 oxygens here. So I need 7 oxygens on this side. Here I've got 6. Here I've got 8. So I can have 6 or 8, but I can't have 7. If you get to a situation like this and everything's balanced except for 1 here which you can't balance, a good trick to do is to double everything else apart from the one you need to change first. So instead of C2H6, I'm going to have 2 C2H6. Instead of CO2 or 2 CO2, I'm going to have 4 CO2. Instead of 3 H2O, I'm going to have 6 H2O. So I've still got 4 carbons here and 4 carbons here, the black ones, good. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 hydrogens here and 12 hydrogens here, good. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 oxygens here. Here I've got 2, but now because 14 is an even number, I can get 14 oxygens on this side. 7 O2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Check. And there's your answer. So that's how to do these if you're getting stuck. Of course, start with, oh God, I know what it is. Start with level 1 first, which are a bit easier, hopefully. So you should have done this yesterday. What I would like you to do today, if you have finished all your work, is on page 21 is the crossword. Just showed you the answers briefly, but please don't look at them. And then on page 24 and 25, there is the revision chapter. I would like you to do 24, 25 today. And there'll be some work on Education Perfect. There isn't going to be a lesson tomorrow because we only have 4 science lessons a week, so we're going to have a day off tomorrow. And on Wednesday, I will organise a class catch-up on Google Meet for everyone. On Google Meet, I think. And we'll have a look, see if we can do a class Kahoot on Google Meet, see how that works. So I'll be sending out messages to 10H and 10S tomorrow. And I'll get Mr. O'Toole to send out one for 10W so you guys can do the Kahoot as well. Last thing before you go, if you are using the online Scipad, this is what it looks like. You have the same work to do, complete up to the end of topic test. It's the same work except it's arranged in a slight different layout. If anyone wants to use the online Scipad, send me an email and I can send you a link to sign up for it. Even if you already have a hard copy Scipad, I can still send you a link. All right, that's all for me today. I'll leave you with that work to do and see you all on Friday. I'll send the link out soon. All right, goodbye.